Hi, I'm Lina. Today's video is all about love, care, and everyday English. We'll talk about family, parents, siblings, grandparents. You'll listen, you'll speak, and you'll feel more confident every minute. Let's speak real English at home. Let's begin. Easy sentences about family. Repeat after. I live with my family. My mother cooks dinner. My father reads the newspaper. I have 2 brothers. We eat dinner together. My sister plays guitar. My grandma tells stories. I call my aunt on Sundays. We talk about our week. My cousin lives far away.
Phone call with Mom. Repeat after me.
Hi, sweetie. How are you?
Hi, Mom. I'm good. Just got home.
Did you eat something?
Not yet. I'm going to cook soon. Are you feeling okay? Yes, just a little tired. Get some rest, okay? I love you. I love you too, Mom. Talk later.
Dinner table conversation with Dad. Repeat after me.
How was your day?
It was good. I studied English.
Did you go outside today?
Yes, I walked to the park.
That's healthy. Fresh air is good.
I feel better now.
Great. Let's eat together.
Yes, I invite everyone to eat.
Useful phrases in the family. Repeat after me. Can you help me, please? I need to talk to you. Can we eat together? I miss you. I'm proud of you. Let's call Grandma. Thanks for the food. I love my family.
Vocabulary. Write these down. Cousin, your aunt or uncle's child. Sibling, your brother or sister. Parent, your mother or father. Dinner table, where you eat together. Care, to love and support someone. Miss, to want someone when they're not near. Proud, feeling happy about someone's success. Talk, to share words and feelings. Evening chat with Grandma. Repeat after me.
Are you okay, my dear?
Yes, Grandma. I just feel tired.
Rest well and sleep early.
I will. I love you.
I love you too. Sweet dreams.
Good night, Grandma. Repeat after me. Family love affirmations. My family is important to me. I am loved and supported. I speak kindly with my parents. I enjoy time with my
siblings. I am learning to express love.
Kind motivation from Lina. Today, you practiced family English slowly, sweetly, and fully. You didn't just learn new words, you practiced love. English is not only for school, it's for your life. And family is where we speak from the heart. So keep learning, keep loving, keep speaking. And remember, I'm proud of you, always. See you in the next episode. With love, Lina.